There are three types of business that get in touch with us. The first have existing problems, things to solve. The second have so much good potential, they're not sure where to go with that. And the third are those that just know they can do it better. So KDMC is an outsourced business management consultancy that can elevate your business capability and your capacity instantly. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, now whether that's because of your resources, the skill set, experience, all of those kinds of things that you need to run every facet of your business, then that's when we can help. But running your business means you have to wear so many hats and you have so many responsibilities across so many things for so much time every week. Outsourcing gives you access to skills and expertise you may not have at the moment, so you can get your time back. So you pick up the phone, we talk about your business, we understand it from the inside out and find solutions to the spaces you need to fill. Our Enterprise Elements framework captures business, people, products and projects. Business is about strategy and execution, so it's about how you operate and how you develop in the future. People are about resources and communication, and that means how you deal with your staff and your customers. Products are about quality and market leadership. It's about positioning your product that makes financial sense through a seamless customer experience. Projects are about opportunity and focus, capturing an isolated work stream within a limited time frame and budget. Through our contract, subscription or project-based services, you have access to sales and marketing, business development, strategic planning, accounts, administration, office management, conflict resolution, well-being, health and safety, anything you need. As a small business, we understand the barriers in place to accessing high-level consultancy services. The value we've created through our pricing models give you cost certainty and access to high-level services. Owning a small business is a really personal thing. What we can sometimes forget when we get caught up in the operational running of the firm is actually the best interests of the firm. I would like to invite people to get in touch to just have a business sense check, have a conversation, discuss what's going on in your business and see how we can help.